We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing city names too. Some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is the name of the capital city of Romania in Eastern Europe. For reference, in Romanian, this is said as Bucharesti, Bucharesti. Now in English, this is said as Bucharest, Bucharest. Pretty straightforward once you know Bucharest, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of cities from around the world whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? Country names in there too? You're well. After watching those, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.